Alright, let's go. Come on, kitty. So yeah. That's what it sounds like here. Check it out. These are cool. That's kind of profound. Like, I don't know, what is this, Alice in Wonderland code? The daffodils? Weren't they like lions or something? Anyway. Trumpets? Anyway. Interesting. Oh, ducks. It's weird not having Sawyer here. Because Sawyer would make sure there are no ducks or geese. And Sawyer would be swimming lots. Yeah, I guess this gets flooded right up to here. Thou shalt not pass. Chug. Lord of the drinks, guys. My V's down. Oh, a beard, eh? It's pretty cool. Oh, we got ducks. Ducks are cool. Geese are cool. But yeah. Got our own swimming pool, guy. Yeah, it's weird. Oh, sloppy, sloppy. Out of all that yard, there's only that little cluster of daffodils. Ugh. Oh. There's always another way, guys. Jeez. Oh. Hey, dudes. Let us know about it. So yeah, thought I'd share stuff like that. What's that guy doing? They're all somewhat interested in me. Interesting. See, sometimes it's just nice when they shut up. Say hi to your mother for me. Yeah, I don't like you either. I have the death sentence on 12 systems. Alrighty then. Yeah. Wanna go get the kitty? You wanna go get the ducks? Geese? Loudest cat on the lake, guy.